In this module, we will demonstrate how to create a monitoring template from an existing device profile and apply it to new devices during installation. On the dashboard, identify the device with the configuration profile you want to replicate. Right-click on the device name in the north pane. Select Monitoring Templates, and then create Monitoring Template. Indicate if checks and tasks should be included in the new template. In this example, we will include checks and tasks from the selected device. Click Next. In the Add Monitoring Template window, enter a template name. In this example, we will name the template Workstation Standard Monitoring Template. The Active checkbox is selected by default to ensure the template is active. Select the OS. In this example, we will create a template for Windows OS. Configure the check frequency. Select the Enabled checkbox to activate the schedule. Add frequencies for the 24/7 check frequency and daily safety check (DSC) runtime using the drop-down menus. In this example, we will leave both on their default frequency settings. Review the checks and tasks associated with the device. The example device configuration includes all standard checks included during device onboarding. It also includes user-added automated tasks. Please refer to the user guide for automated task descriptions. To modify the configuration, click Add, Edit, or Delete. In this example, we will include only the current checks and tasks on the model device. Click OK to create the new template. Templates can be added to existing devices or to future devices. Please review the documentation for more information. In this example, we will apply the template to new devices when they are installed. Go to Settings. Click Monitoring Templates. And then New Device Installation Settings. Select the entity. In this example, we will select and apply the template to workstations. Turn the setting to On. Select a template to be applied from either the Windows or Mac workstation default. We will select the Workstation Standard Monitoring Template for Windows. The option for Run Check Detection Scan is available to scan the device during the site installation package deployment. In this example, we will not select this checkbox because the template includes all standard checks. Click OK. The monitoring template is added to the new device installation settings and appears as the selected entity and OS default template.